Okay, we are live now. Just 1 minute and then get started. Right, namaste everyone. Welcome to Hindi University. Really excited to have all of you on this Sunday. As you know, my name is Ashutosh, and we meet every Sunday 8 a.m. US Pacific time, which is time on the west coast of the US in the California region, to learn about the Hindi language. For those of you who are new to Hindi University, you can learn more about us by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Hindi University, or you can also go to our website, which is hindiuniversity.org, to find out about how you can join us on a regular basis. It's a little bit of information I provided on this slide about HU, Hindi University. You can join the Sunday classes using the Zoom link, or also you can join the practice sessions we have throughout the week. If you go to the hindiuniversity.org, you can find out the schedule and the different level of practice sessions that we have, and based on your availability, you're welcome to join. And we have WhatsApp community as well as the Discord community as well, and you're welcome to join that as well. As you know, this year we've been following two main books, Pingu Learns Hindi as well as the Elementary Hindi. Pingu Learns Hindi is our own book, Hindi University's books, and the Elementary Hindi is written by Professor Richard DeLacy and Sudha Joshi. Richard DeLacy is a Hindi professor at the Harvard University. As you know, we are systematically going through Richard DeLacy as well, and we are on chapter number 21 on this book. And today we'll be doing a very simple yet a powerful topic about how to express your view, opinion in Hindi. So the most common phrases, so the goal of this class is I'll be giving you most common phrases which you can use to express your view, opinion in Hindi. Okay, I also provided a list of about 30 or 40 sentences. If someone can post it on the Zoom chat, it'll be great. They'll be very useful as we go through the class. Yes, Shilaji? Oh, unmute yourself.
Sorry, just to let you know, you're still showing Hindi books, but not on the whiteboard.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. I'm gonna change it. All right. So I'm gonna. Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay,
Thank
wonderful.
you.
So yeah, so this is the template basically we'll be following. I'll be going over this in detail throughout the class, but the goal of this class is we'll be using some of the most commonly used phrases to express your view, and I categorize them into 4 buckets, like phrases that you can start with mujhe, okay, phrases that you can start with mera, okay, and then mere is typically because there's a postposition after you want to use the noun after that, and then meri, okay. So we'll start with mujhe and so we'll go case by case basis. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of it, or if you don't, that's totally okay also, because we're going to be going in detail for each of those. Okay, right. So with that in mind, let's just get to the whiteboarding sessions. And throughout the class, if you have any questions, feel free to unmute yourself and and share your views. Right. Right. So the first one is basically, I'll start with the the phrases that you will use with mujhe. Okay, as you all know, mujhe is nothing but main in Hindi, which is I, and ko, which is nothing but to me. That's how it roughly translates into Hindi. So when you want to say to me, it feels. Okay, when you want to express your view, the most common one that you will come across is to me it feels, or it feels to me. Okay, how do you say that, Donna ji?
मुझे लगता है.
Very good, right? So first one would be मुझे लगता है. मुझे लगता है. To me, and lagna is to is a verb to feel basically. To feel, and we're using the relevant form of it. So मुझे लगता है. To me, it feels. Okay. Donna ji, try using a sentence with that. आपको क्या लगता है?
मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी बहुत मुश्किल है.
Oh, very good. Okay. So now I can ask a counter question, like, and that is basically relevant to it. And if I want to know, so you said your opinion. I want to know, और आपको क्या लगता है? And then I can say, let's say, शीला जी, आपको क्या लगता है?
Sorry, आपको क्या लगता है? You're asking me how what I feel.
Yes. So she said, um, Donna ji said, हिंदी एक मुश्किल लैंग्वेज है. Okay, or मुश्किल भाषा है. And then I basically bounce that idea back to you and I ask you, like, आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think?
uh, मुझे भी हिंदी भाषा लगता है.
Okay, हिंदी भाषा, and then you will use a adjective.
Oh, मुश्किल लगता है.
So क्या आपको भी लगता है कि एक हिंदी एक मुश्किल और डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज है?
जी हाँ.
क्या आपको क्या आपको भी लगता है कि हिंदी एक डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज है?
Oh, I see. Sorry. I'm slow to get back into the swing of things.
No worries, no worries, no worries.
मुझे भी हिंदी भाषा my brain's dead today, sorry.
This one, you can use this one.
मुश्किल भाषा लगता है.
Okay, there you go. मुश्किल लगती है. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's gonna, don't worry, we'll have more sentences, right? So okay, so I gave you a lot of sample sentences, and you can use those or you can use any of the one that you really feel. Okay. Let's see. JDG, you want to make some sample sentences using this phrase? मुझे लगता है. I provided a bunch of in case if you're,
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm here. मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी नहीं मुश्किल है.
Beautiful.
लेकिन हिंदी जैसे इंग्लिश है.
Okay. Okay.
और पिछले की ओर.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Let's see. So by the way, just to kind of highlight again, Sheila ji posted on, if you look at the Zoom comments, you will see a bunch of sample sentences, right? So in case if you want to use those, totally okay. Okay. Angela, what do you think?
मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी भी बहुत मुश्किल है.
Okay, wonderful. Okay. Let's see. Then let's say I want to say here, मुझे लगता है कि यह संभव है. Okay, this is a sentence like this is possible. Let's say we are a group of friends doing some task. Okay, or let's say there's a deadline for us to meet. Okay, and I'm trying to say that, okay, मुझे लगता है कि यह संभव है, that this is possible. Okay. एंजेला जी, आपको क्या लगता है?
क्या संभव है? I didn't understand.
Okay, so anything basically ऐसा यह संभव है, यह is this is basically whatever we are talking about. Let's say that this is to for our group to run, like, let's say, I'm just making it up, right, 5 miles in, like, 50 minutes. Okay, मुझे लगता है, and let's say all of a sudden everyone is like, no, it's too much, we cannot run 1 mile in 10 minutes, and like, मुझे लगता है यह संभव है.
अच्छा
Okay,
तो मैं भी लगता है कि यह संभव है.
there you go. मुझे भी लगता है कि यह संभव है. Okay, awesome. Feel free to again refer to the sentences, because it'll come basically. The whole point is it should become easier for you to just come up with, like, मुझे लगता है. Okay, Uni, make any sentence using मुझे लगता है. And if you are okay, you are there. You there, Uni? Okay, we'll come back to you. No problem. Delia ji?
मुझे लगता है कि हमें दूसरे लोगों का इंतजार करना चाहिए.
Yeah, good one. And what does it mean?
I think we should wait for some more people or for other people.
Awesome. Elizabeth ji?
I'm going to use your sentences. So,
Yeah, you can use any of them.
मुझे लगता है कि यह सही समय है.
मुझे लगता है कि यह सही समय है. I feel or I think this is the right time. Very good. Yeah. Kelly ji?
Kelly ji is just listening.
Oh, I see. Okay. Madhuvendra ji? Madhuvendra Puri ji?
मुझे लगता है कि आप बहुत अच्छा हिंदी भाषा अध्यापक हैं.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Sunny ji? Sunny ji? Or no worries if you are not there.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, मुझे लगता है कि recent चुनाव के बाद मोदी जी थोड़ा कम अहंकार हो जाएगा.
Okay, that's a good sentence. Shireen ji?
हाँ जी, नमस्ते.
Namaste.
मुझे लगता है हिंदी सीखना सुखद है.
Okay, good one. Tom?
Yes, Yasuji, namaste. मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी बोलना यह सुबह है.
Okay, very good. Rita ji?
Rita.
Oh, okay. Okay, Uni, if you are on, you want to try again, Uni, you can try. We couldn't hear you before. Or if not, you can write it. If it is not working, you can type it and I'll read it. Okay, that's totally okay. Natarajan ji?
Yeah, Palan.
Yeah.
So मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी बोलने के लिए प्रैक्टिस अवश्य है.
Okay, very good, amazing. Anna ji?
मुझे लगता है जिंदगी भारत में बहुत चैलेंजिंग है.
Okay, it is. जिंदगी हर जगह चैलेंजिंग है, but like yeah, I agree, right? I mean, so what does it
लेकिन
mean?
मुमकिन है. It's possible, right?
What does it mean? Explain it to everyone. What did you say?
I think that life in India is very challenging.
Very challenging.
So what is the difference between mumkin and sambhav? Is it the same?
It's the same,
It's the same. Okay.
Possible versus number. Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay. Anyone else who hasn't had a chance and want to try it out? Anushka ji, you're yeah.
मैं ये वक्त बहुत अच्छा ये sentence is व्याख्त, right? This sentence I love that you put.
Okay.
हमें पर्यावरण की रक्षा करनी चाहिए.
Okay, very good. So मुझे लगता है, she
मुझे
said,
लगता है कि हमें पर्यावरण की रक्षा करनी चाहिए.
okay, and break it down for everyone. What is Paryavaran and what is Raksha?
पर्यावरण is our environment. और ये मैं शिक्षक हूँ और अभी मैं sustainable design course
सिखा
Uh-huh.
रही हूँ. Beautiful, right? So she said, see, the thing is like now you can go with this, you can go beyond your just introduction and basic stuff. You can really imagine you are having this advanced conversation with people. You can express, you have phrases to express your view on the topic of your interest. If you like, to follow sports, right? You can express your view that, okay, मुझे लगता है कि ये टीम जीतेगी, okay? Or you can say negative sentences, मुझे लगता है, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि ये टीम जीतेगी, okay? Or if you're interested in like the world events, you can talk about, you have phrases to talk about those, okay? Or if you like to talk about travel or anything basically, right? Or in this case, let's say she is in sustainable design, Anushka ji, right? So she uses the phrase, मुझे लगता है कि हमें पर्यावरण की रक्षा करनी चाहिए. Now it may sound hard because there's a lot of new vocabulary, but you can even say that मुझे लगता है कि हमें environment को protect करना चाहिए. Then it's like, you are mixing some English words, but at least you have the basic template there. Okay. Any questions so far? Anyone else would like to try it out before we move on to the next phrase?
Asuji, yes, with lagta there, the translation could be like seems or thanks, feels. There's lots of different ways to.
That is right. Okay. मुझे लगता है, that's right. So for example, if you want to say मुझे लगता है कि आज बारिश होगी, right? So then it's not like directly like, I think, to me it feels like it may rain today. Okay. That's right though. Like your आपको सही लगता है, yes, Jackie ji.
Did you say that to negate it, you say मुझे नहीं लगता है?
That's right. You can say मुझे नहीं लगता है.
Can you say मुझे लगता नहीं है?
You can say that, but where are you sort of like emphasizing it? Okay. मुझे ऐसा, you can say both ways, right? I mean, just like मुझे खाना नहीं चाहिए और मुझे नहीं चाहिए खाना, right? You can play around with it, but the most common is मुझे नहीं लगता है.
Thank you.
Sheila ji?
Yeah, can I try another one?
Yes, please.
So a more complicated one, let me try it. So, मुझे लगता है इस साल दुनिया में कुछ दिलचस्प elections होंगे.
Okay, good one. Okay, and explain it to everyone. What?
So this year the world has some interesting elections.
Right. That's a good one. Okay. Elizabeth ji?
I just have a question about the sentences. I thought that with chahiye you had to use ko, and here it says hame. Why is it hame, and why is there no ko there?
Which one?
All the sentences that have chahiye at the end.
Ko is in hame. Ko is in hame.
It's hame is humko is same. So you can
it's
say
the same. Okay.
So just like
Alright.
mujhe and mujhko is same, Anushka ji is saying the same, right? So you can
Okay.
hame and humko.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I think I can read it, but let's see if your microphone is working.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, I wanted to say मुझे लगता है कि आज आपका नया बार अच्छा है.
मेरा हेयर कट अच्छा है, थैंक यू. Thank you. Okay, who else? Anybody else before we move on? Right. So let's say now you want to say things. So this is one of the phrase to express your view or opinion. The second one is again starting with mujhe. But in this case, let's say you are a little bit more confident, right? Or you are sure. Okay. And let's say when you are sure, you can use this word called or vocabulary word called yakeen. Same thing as before, but instead of मुझे लगता है, you will say मुझे यकीन है. मुझे यकीन है. Okay. Whereas like I'm sure, you know, this will happen. Okay. For example, let's say a game is going in an interesting situation, and you're like, I'm sure this team will win. Okay. मुझे यकीन है कि let's say you can again, like, you can make it up, right? I mean, so, and I can take my sample sentences that I wrote here, right? You know, basically मुझे यकीन है यह संभव है, like, you know, I'm sure that this is possible. Okay, and it could be because I've done it before. Okay. मुझे यकीन है we will reach on time, हम समय पर पहुंचेंगे. Okay. और मुझे यकीन है this will work, right? क्योंकि I'm sure this will work is like मुझे यकीन है यह काम करेगा. Okay. और similarly some of the other one कि मुझे यकीन है यह decision सही है. Okay. मुझे यकीन है यह decision और निर्णय सही है. Okay. I'm sure that this decision is right. Okay. There are a list of sentences. I gave it out. If you want, I can write it down to make it easy for you. But you know, I think I want you to try it out. So we spend more time speaking them rather than writing it. But I'm still gonna write it down. So I'm gonna say मुझे यकीन है. And because there are two sentences, remember this is conjunction key. Okay. मुझे यकीन है कि हम समय पर पहुंचेंगे. ओके. हम समय पर, we on time, पहुंचना is to reach, we will reach on time. मुझे यकीन है हम समय पर पहुंचेंगे. ओके. मुझे यकीन है कि वह सच बोलेगा. I'm sure that he'll speak the truth. Okay. Or I can say मुझे यकीन है कि मुझे यकीन है कि हम और आप, मुझे यकीन है कि मैं आपसे मिलूंगा. I'm sure that we'll meet. मुझे यकीन है कि मैं आपसे मिलूंगा और मिलूंगी. Okay. Any questions so far? Any question or?
Ashuji, I had a question. Is the use of the key there mandatory? I've heard it flexible. Sometimes it's used, sometimes it's not.
I mean, again, like how you're saying it, मुझे लगता है okay, if you're grammatically, you should put it as a conjunction. It's connecting two sentences, but you know, colloquially in general, when you're talking it, you know, even if you skip it, you know, it makes sense, right? I mean, because it's there, it's basically hidden, right?
Okay. Dhanyabad.
Yeah, it's just like whether sometimes even in English, you know, when you're speaking fast, you're not going to use that all the time, right? You skip that, but it's there whether you say it or not, right? So this key is nothing but a conjunction key, which is adding these two sentences. Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah. Awesome.
Ashu,
Yeah.
Ashuji, may I ask a question? I often hear the word mehsus,
हाँ.
but would you use yakin with mehsus? Like मुझे महसूस यकीन है कि
So no, you will not use it together, right?
okay.
But when you are using, महसूस, you will use it as a verb, right? So मैं महसूस कर रहा हूँ और कर रही हूँ, right? So you will use it as a verb, and then you will start with मैं as opposed to मुझे. Okay, so as soon as we are done with this category, right now it's category number 1 or case number 1, we're using mujhe, right? To me. Okay, you will not say to me mehsoos. Okay, hope it makes sense. Hope it makes sense, Anushka ji. Yeah. Okay, let's try to make some sentences. Anybody can start. Anybody can start.
I'll try one.
Okay, please.
Is Chunav say मुझे यकीन है कि अमेरिका में
One more time.
I said is English word is elections
Okay.
keen
I think it's breaking up, Rita ji. So maybe you can. I heard the first part of the sentences, which is something about the election.
trouble. It kicked me out earlier.
Oh, I see.
Trouble with my mic. Jay Yakin Heiki America me.
The second sentence, I can hear the first one. मुझे यकीन है इस election में, and then I couldn't hear the second part. Try typing it. Maybe it will come better. While the connection is better. Yeah.
Hey. Okay.
Try typing it because I think something is breaking up. Okay. While you type, Uniji, you're raising your hand.
Okay, I want to try. मुझे यकीन है कि मैं ये काम कल तक सब कंप्लीट कर सकती हूँ.
Very good, right? What did you say?
I said I am sure that I can complete all this job by tomorrow.
Okay. मैं कल तक यह काम खत्म कर सकती हूँ. Amazing. Jackie जी.
मुझे यकीन है कि कल तक मैं नहीं काम खत्म करती हूँ.
Okay. Very good, right? So very good, right? So she said it in a negative way. मुझे यकीन है कि मैं कल तक यह काम खत्म कर पाऊंगी. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Nandini ji, you want to try it out?
Okay, I'm going to try something. मुझे लगता है नहीं मुझे यकीन है आज भारत जीतेगी.
Okay, मुझे यकीन है कि आज भारत जीतेगी. But आज बारिश हो रही है. But
It's going to start soon.
It's going to start soon. Okay. Awesome.
I believe so.
Okay. Who else? Anybody else? Delia?
मुझे यकीन है कि हम जल्दी ही निर्णय ले पाएंगे.
Very good. And what does it mean?
I'm sure that we will soon be able to make a decision.
Very good, right? मुझे यकीन है कि हम जल्दी ही डिसीजन ले पाएंगे. Okay. Very good. And then Rita ji said, मुझे लगता है कि इस इलेक्शन में लगता है इस इलेक्शन में मुझे यकीन है कि अमेरिका संकट में है. Okay. Okay, good sentence. Risha ji? Okay. In case if Risha ji, you want to come back, Mala ji.
जी नमस्ते
Yeah.
आशु जी
Namaste. You want to make a sentence using "मुझे यकीन है" and then you can put whichever you want. I provided a list of sentences. You can either read those, one of those, or you can come up with your own.
हाँ ठीक है मुझे यकीन है कि अब बारिश खत्म होने लगी
Okay. Awesome. Anybody else would like to try?
Yeah, I'd
Yes.
like to try like a really crazy sentence on you because I don't know how I'm going to do this correctly. मुझे
Okay.
यकीन है कि 10 किलोमीटर दौड़ना जीत बहुत मुश्किल है.
Which
So
one?
the running game victory, like what is the word for running, like to win a 10 kilometer run? How do you say that? Is it dorna
In
or
the
what is?
marathon?
Yeah, like a 10 kilometer though. That's like not very much.
Oh,
That's 6 miles.
okay. So,
Yeah.
okay. 10 kilometers running. I mean, there's no one word, but like, if it is a competition, you can use the word pratiyogita. That's
Oh,
for the competition, if you want to use that word. Um,
okay.
Pratiyogita, that's for competition, the one word, right? Pratiyogita.
Right.
That's one word you can use, but like, दौड़ने की प्रतियोगिता, like a running competition.
Oh, okay. So it is dorna. All right.
Yeah. So दौड़ना definitely you have to use. Like there's not like a, for example, तैरने की प्रतियोगिता is like the swimming competition, right? I mean, so
Okay.
yeah. Anyone else before?
Yes, मैं
Yes.
कोशिश कर.
Yes.
Okay. अगले बुधवार में एक क्रिकेट मैच यूएसए और इंडिया में बीच में होगा और हो जाएगा. मैं यकीन है कि वो मैच बहुत दिलचस्प है.
रहेगा. Very good, right? और होगा. Either way is fine. So मुझे यकीन है कि वो गेम बहुत दिलचस्प होगा. I'm sure that this game will be interesting. Yeah, मुझे भी यकीन है. मुझे भी ऐसा यकीन है. Okay, awesome. Anyone else before we move on?
Could I try one?
Yes, please.
मुझे यकीन है कि अगर आप हिंदी बोल रहे हैं तो मैं आपको समझूंगा.
Okay, वापस one more time. आपको
मैं आपको समझूंगा.
समझूंगा, right? I'll understand you. Is that what you're
Yes.
saying?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. मुझे यकीन है कि अगर आप हिंदी बोलेंगे, I'm sure that if you speak Hindi, अगर आप हिंदी बोलेंगे, तो मैं आपको समझूंगा. I will understand you. Yeah.
Yes, I
Awesome.
was trying to say if you are speaking Hindi, so I used the progressive.
Oh, I
Agar-
see. अगर आप हिंदी बोल रहे हैं,
Yeah.
okay, तो मैं आपको it's correct, absolutely correct. तो मैं आपको समझूंगा. Anyone else? So these were all मुझे लगता है, मुझे यकीन है. The negative you can say same thing, like मुझे नहीं लगता है, okay, और मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है, okay. We'll move on to now the phrases. Yes, Sheila ji.
Oh, it's okay if you want to move on, that's fine. I was just going to try another example.
You want to try one or you want to try it out?
मुझे यकीन है कि मौसम के बारे में क्रिकेट के लिए नंदिनी optimistic है.
Yeah, definitely.
Always.
हमेशा. जी हाँ.
Awesome. So now we'll do case 2, which is basically the phrases starting with mera, meri, and mere. Same thing. You want to have phrases that where you can express your view. The first one I have is where you are saying mera, okay, mera khayal hai, okay, you can see mera khayal hai ki, and then you can express your view. Okay, I'm going to write down all of them together. That's one way to say that. You can also say mera manna is one word, which is basically manana. Mera manna hai ki, and then you can put your view after that. Khayal is, you have a half kh, year with a, and then mera khayal hai ki. Okay, some of you may be thinking, why didn't you put a post position, which is correct as well, but the moment you put, and then post position after that, it's mere. So we will discuss it, right after that. Okay, but this one is mera khayal hai ki, आज बारिश होगी, और मेरा मानना है कि आज मेरा मानना है कि आप मेरा मानना है कि आप सभी हिंदी बहुत जल्दी और अच्छी बोल सकते हैं. Okay, okay, in my opinion, basically. Or you can say, these are the okay, you can also say mera mat hai ki. Mat is also same thing. My view is that. Okay, so when you say, when I just say mera mat, my view is that. Mera manna hai, my view is that. Okay, same thing. Mera khayal, my opinion is that. Okay, so again, if you were to just use it as a pair, mera khayal, mera manna or mera mat. This is just like using these as like simple phrase. Okay. Any question?
Asuji, so mat is the same word that we use to negate in like mat karo or something?
That is correct. It's the same one, but this mat is view.
Different
It's
meaning,
basically
same pronunciation and spelling.
exact same pronunciation, but it has a different meaning. Right? So it's like just like in English, some words have like two different meaning altogether, right? So this is exact same mat, but it's mat is also means like a vote, like in the election when you vote, it's also called matdan. So but yeah, your doubt is absolutely like genuine, right? That it also means when making it, right? Mat jao or mat karo or mat bolo, right? Okay, so we'll practice now. You can use any of these phrases, and then the faster we go, the more sentences we'll be able to cover, and then it becomes your sort of in muscle memory. It's gonna come naturally when you're talking to someone. Okay, Delia.
मेरा ख्याल है कि मुझे हिंदी सीखने में और कोशिश करनी चाहिए.
Okay, very good. Sunita ji.
मेरा मानना है कि हिंदी सीख रही हूँ.
One more time, and you can use yeah.
मेरा मानना है कि हिंदी सीख रही हूँ.
Hindi. What did you say? See?
Seek.
Okay, what is it that you want to say here? What is your view?
Yeah, I'm lost. Sorry.
Okay, you can use any of the, I don't know if you can you see in your in the notes, we posted list of sentences. You can use any of these. How about that? I'll come back to you. You can use any of.
Thanks.
Yeah. You can take any of those, and that will be handy as well for you. Okay. You take a look at it and I'll come back. Yes? Right. Sunny ji?
मेरे माना है कि हमारे देश बहुत बनता हुआ है.
Okay, okay. Our countries change, okay. Sam, or you're listening only? Palanji?
या यश अशोक जी मेरा मानना है कि सभी को समान अवसर मिलने चाहिए.
Right? मेरा मानना है, it's a very powerful sentence, right? मेरा मानना है कि सभी को समान अवसर मिलने चाहिए. Okay, what does it mean? Palanji, you want to explain it?
Yeah, my view is that everyone should get equal opportunities.
Right. So saman avsar, I can write it down. Okay. So saman avsar, saman, saman, and then you have avsar. Saman is equal, and avsar is opportunity. Equal opportunity. Okay. मेरा मानना है कि सभी को समान अवसर मिलने चाहिए. There you go. Let's say who else? Who else? Somebody who's not had a chance to make any sentence before. Let's try that. Yes, Sunny ji.
I was going to say our country is divided and polarized. So I didn't mean change. So maybe I didn't say it correctly.
You can use English word. That's totally okay. If you want, this is your view. You can say it, so those words in English.
So the word banta is changed, not divided. And I use the word banta.
But badlav or which one? Batawa. You can say that. Yeah. If your view, sorry, I didn't hear it. Bata, ba, and then ta. You can say that. Bata hua. If your view is the country is divided, you can say मेरा मानना है कि हमारा country बटा हुआ है. Okay, you can express your view using that. Yeah. But if this is what are you using this bata hua?
Yeah.
Okay, this is correct then. This is correct. Maybe I didn't hear it. I hear badla hua hai, not bata hua hai. So my mistake. Jackie ji. Okay.
Sorry. मेरा मत है कि वो सही है.
Okay, मेरा मत है कि वो सही है. Okay, very good. Which is my view is that he is correct. Simple sentence, very powerful. Donna ji.
Okay, मेरा ख्याल है कि शिक्षा महत्वपूर्ण है.
Beautiful, right? मेरा ख्याल है, in my view, education is, it's very important, right? शिक्षा महत्वपूर्ण है. Okay, Nandini ji.
मेरा ख्याल है कि आज की कक्षा अच्छी होगी.
Okay, very good. My view is that today's class will be very good. Okay. Anyone else would like to try?
Can I try?
Yes, please.
मेरा ख्याल है कि कल बेहतर डॉक्टर के लिए मैं न्यूयॉर्क शहर जाऊंगी.
One more time, louder.
मेरा ख्याल है कि कल कि बेहतर डॉक्टर के लिए मैं कल न्यूयॉर्क शहर जाऊंगी.
For doctor, to see a doctor?
For a better doctor, yeah.
For a better doctor. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Better. Okay, awesome.
Do you say
Okay.
better?
Better, yes. That's
Okay.
right. Better. Better, it's almost like better. Very, very, very similar sounding.
Yeah.
All right. So this is your case number 2, which is basically mera. Now I'm going to erase it. We'll take it one level further. the whole point is like, I mean, again, the second sentence is, it's, we are trying different ways, but as long as this whole thing becomes part of your, like, reflexive memory, then it's good, because then it's coming immediately, right? You're not waiting. Okay, you're not trying to make it like a grammatically correct and all, because it's like automatically part of your thing. Okay, the next one we have is basically in case 2 only, instead of mera, okay, you are saying mere vichar mein. Now because you have a, in general, mera vichar is, what is mera vichar?
My idea.
Huh? My idea. Fine, very good. My idea. मेरा विचार. Okay, यह मेरा विचार है. This is my idea, right? But because you are putting this post position, में, मेरा विचार plus में become मेरे विचार में. Okay, मेरे विचार में, let's say it's raining a lot. Okay, and or it's very cloudy and like it's going to rain. I can say मेरे विचार में हमें market नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay. I don't think we should go outside. हमें बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. Okay, so you can use that. मेरे विचार में. Okay, or you can also say मेरे हिसाब से. What is हिसाब? Anyone would like to think what is hisab?
It's something like part of something, isn't it?
Huh?
According to me.
According to me,
According
okay.
to me. Yeah.
Huh?
According to me.
According to me, okay. According to me, it's also used in the accounting a lot, hisab. Okay. So it also can be referred to as according to my calculation. Even though you don't really say this thing all the time, according to my calculation, it sort of assumes that it's you have done your assessment, right? So you can say मेरे हिसाब से और मेरे विचार में. Okay, so we'll just spend some time making sentences, so even these become sort of part of your regular sentences or phrases that you're using it. Okay, again, if you look at it, it's मेरा विचार become मेरे विचार में, or मेरा हिसाब versus मेरे हिसाब से. Okay, let's see who would like to try it out.
Can I try?
Yes, please.
मेरे विचार में global warming हो रही है.
Okay, मेरे विचार में global warming हो रही है. Okay, that's correct. Anybody else?
I'll try one.
Yes, please.
मेरे विचार में खत्म होते हैं.
One more time. Slightly breaking up. So if we
मेरे विचार मेरे हमेशा खत्म होते हैं.
I'm having type it. Maybe type it down. Type it, Rita ji. I'll read it out. Maybe it's the connection issue only. Okay. Elizabeth ji.
मेरे विचार में यह बहुत मुश्किल होगा.
Okay. मेरे विचार में यह मुश्किल होगा. In my view, this will be difficult. Okay. Awesome. And then Geeta ji was trying to say मेरे विचार में सोमवार हमेशा कठिन होता है. That is correct. आपका विचार एकदम सही है. Monday is always difficult. Who else? Anybody else? Tom?
Yes, Ashu ji. मेरे विचार में मैं child स्कूल जाऊंगा.
कहाँ जाऊंगा?
Yes. स्कूल जाऊंगा.
School जाऊंगा. Okay. 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 Awesome. Anybody else?
Asuji, I had a question here.
Yes.
In this case too, we've gone from mira to mire because of the postposition?
Yes.
Okay.
Because mera vichar, and then mera vichar. In the previous one, you didn't really have postposition. Okay, you
Right.
have mera manna hai. Okay, or you used mera mat hai. Okay, or you used mera khayal hai. But the same thing, if you had mera khayal and after that mere khayal mein or mere khayal se, your mera becomes mere.
Thank you.
Sheila ji?
मेरे विचार में कि यह सबसे अच्छा उदाहरण था.
Okay, very good. मेरे विचार में ये सबसे अच्छा उदाहरण था. This was a very good example. Okay, so you can say that. Okay, Shirin ji?
मेरा विचार में हमें जितना हो सके गरीब लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए.
Very good, right? So what she said was, explain it in your own words.
Yeah, according to me, or in my opinion, we should help poor people as much as we can.
Good sentence. Anybody else? Okay, so we did mera, we did mere, now we'll do meri. Okay, so meri, and then if you say rai is the feminine one, right? It's rai, feminine, right? So you will say meri rai. Okay, so you can say meri rai hai ki, or you can say your sentence, or you can say meri rai mein. Okay, you would think that because this postposition is there, the oblique case of meri is meri, so it doesn't change. Okay, unlike the previous case where you have mera becomes mere. It's just like mera bacha becomes mere bache ke paas laptop hai, right? Versus meri beti ke paas laptop hai. Meri beti is my daughter, but when you use even ke paas, meri beti remains meri beti. Okay, so you can say मेरी राय है कि हमें एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करनी चाहिए. ओके, और मेरी राय में हमें धूप में नहीं खेलना चाहिए. We should not play in the hot, right? In a hot day. Okay, मेरी राय में हमें sunscreen लगाना चाहिए when it is too hot. Okay, I'm just making it up, right? So I hope it makes sense, but these are again more phrases for you, if you want to use, these. Okay, so मेरी राय है और मेरी राय में. Okay, in my view. Anybody would like to try these? Let's say Jackie ji.
Sure. I have a question about the rai. Is rai a feminine idea and that's why it's meri?
That is correct. That's right. Right. So this is feminine, and that's why it's meri rai. My opinion. Okay, or my view, my opinion. ये मेरी राय. आपकी राय क्या है? Okay, what is your sort of suggestion or opinion? Okay, मुझे आपकी
Ashuji, sorry, I have one question. So we can use mere vichar hai ki like that also, or mere vichar mein is the right use?
You can use either of them.
Okay.
Yeah, you can use either of them. So let's say, explain your scenario, like both the sentences, and maybe it will make sense.
Okay, actually, whether it is usual to use mere vichar mein or mere vichar hai ki is also fine. I don't have any context.
Okay, that's correct, right? So for example, let's say I want to say that I'm just making it up. Like let's say today's cricket is going on, right? So I want to say that and मेरे विचार से रिंकू सिंह को टीम में रखना चाहिए. Okay, और मेरी राय है कि let's say रिंकू सिंह is a name of a player. रिंकू सिंह को खेलना चाहिए. I can say either of them however I want. Okay, not that it matters, but yeah, you can I can use I can use मेरे विचार से, or I can use मेरा विचार है कि, or I can use मेरी राय है कि.
Thanks.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Sorry, Ashuji, I've got a question. Did you just say mere vichar se?
Yeah, you can say मेरे विचार से.
Oh, so you can say that as well as mere vichar me.
Yes, that is correct. You can use may and say both. मेरे विचार से.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody else? You want to make some sentences, Jackie ji, with मेरी राय में or?
Yeah, okay. मेरी राय है कि सच्चाई हमेशा जीतती है.
कौन जीतती है? सच्चाई.
सच्चाई हमेशा जीतती है.
So मेरी राय है कि सच्चाई हमेशा. What does it mean?
That I believe that the truth will always come out.
Very good, right? सच्चाई हमेशा जीतती है. Very good. Okay. Anybody else?
Could I try one?
Please.
मेरी राय है कि आज क्लास बहुत अच्छा था.
आज what?
आज class, Hindi
Oh.
class.
Okay, very good.
बहुत अच्छा था.
I see. Okay. So मेरी राय है कि आज क्लास अच्छी थी. Okay. Beautiful.
अच्छा
Okay.
थी. Oh, feminine.
Yeah, it's good though. Your sentence is good. मेरा विचार है कि आपका sentence बहुत अच्छा था. And then Rita ji saying, मेरी राय है कि हर किसी को अधिक exercise करनी चाहिए. Everybody should do more exercise. And then Risha ji saying, मेरी राय में देर तक जागना किसी के स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक है. So her view is that देर तक जागना, to stay up late, it's dangerous for health, which is a very good sentence actually, right? I mean, and she wrote it in Devanagari. स्वास्थ्य के लिए, for health, it's not good or dangerous. हानिकारक है. Okay, staying up late is bad for one's health. Okay, Sheila ji.
मेरी राय है JD सही है.
One more time. कि
मेरी राय है JD सही है.
Okay, मेरी राय है कि JD सही है. Okay, awesome. Okay, so now we are at the top of the hour. So we did case 1, which is with मुझे. Case 2 we did मेरा, मेरी and मेरे. And we'll do case 3, which hopefully is very easy, which is instead of using मुझे and मेरा, you are using the phrases which start with मैं and followed by the verb. Okay, so verb is, let's say, to understand is समझना. Okay, समझना is to understand. So you are using the relevant form of समझना. So if I am saying it, like I'll say मैं समझता हूँ कि, and then followed by that whatever I think or I understand that, or versus मैं समझती हूँ कि, yeah. So I understand that. मैं समझता हूँ कि आप सबको आप सबको बहुत मेहनत करनी चाहिए. Okay. So I can say that using मैं and then with a verb, right? मैं समझता हूँ और मैं समझती हूँ. Okay. मैं समझती हूँ कि उसे क्लास में आना चाहिए. Okay. मैं समझती हूँ कि हम सबको साथ में खेलना चाहिए. Okay. So you can make it up, right? I'm just last minute I'm making up miscellaneous sentences, but the point is you can use sentences using this also, right? मैं समझता हूँ कि.
Ashuji?
Yes.
I've heard a lot of people just say मैं सोचती हूँ कि.
Yeah. So same thing, right? मैं सोचती हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ कि और मैं सोचती हूँ कि. That's correct. But again, like to, it's the same thing. It's a verb. Sochna is to think. So this will also be case 3 basically. Okay. Same thing. You can use manna here as well. Okay. Just like we had mera manna hai, you can also say मैं मानता हूँ कि. One word, manana. मैं मानता हूँ कि, you know, and then whatever you believe in. Okay. Any questions so far? We didn't practice so much sentences using this one, but this is sort of a homework exercise. You know, मुझे लगता है आप सबको ये सारे phrases use करने चाहिए day to day life में. मुझे लगता है और मेरी राय में आप जब next practice sessions में मिलें, when you all meet in practice sessions, you should use these phrases more and more. Okay. मुझे ये भी लगता है कि आप सभी जने बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोलते हैं और आप ये बहुत आसानी से ये phrases use कर पाएंगे. Okay. So with that, I'll stop the broadcast and I'll take any questions from anyone.